Want to unlock the social skills of the top 1%? We're about to hack Dale Carnegie's legendary playbook. I'm giving you the cheat codes, 5 core levels, and 1 piece of secret loot for social mastery.
So, why does this even matter? Well, Carnegie found 85% of financial success is just human engineering. All right, level 1. It's simple, but man, it's powerful. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. It just backfires. And here's why. Criticism is totally useless. It just crushes someone's pride and builds up resentment. Period. Okay, your mission. Understand motives, not just actions. And dodge that whole brutal honesty trap. Focus on solutions. All right, time to level up. Level 2 is all about a core human craving you have to satisfy. Look, this isn't some nice to have, it's a deep hunger. Real appreciation is pure motivational fuel. So here's your quest. Give specific, sincere compliments and avoid that cheap, generic flattery. It's totally fake. Level 3 is a total game changer. Real influence, it's about focusing on their wants, not your own. This is the mental flip you gotta make. Frame everything around what's in it from them. Your mission here is to see the world through their eyes. The trap, making everything about yourself. Okay, level 4. This is where you unlock the magnetic power of being genuinely interested in people. I mean, think about a dog, right? They just give you pure, genuine excitement, and we love them for it. So your quest is to basically become a detective for what excites them. The trap? Just waiting for your turn to talk? All right, time for the final boss. The only way to actually win an argument is to avoid it. Because think about it. If you lose, you lose. But if you win, you've still lost. They won't change. So your mission is to de-escalate. Find some common ground. The big trap is needing to be right. You did it. You cleared all 5 levels. Now for the secret loot that separates the pros from the noobs. The principle is simple. Always, always let the other person save face. Hurting someone's dignity is a crime. And that's the system. 5 levels plus your secret loot. You're now equipped for social mastery. Now, to make all this stuff stick, grab the free 1-page cheat sheet. The link's in the description. If you gain some XP here, smash that like button and subscribe. And drop your answer in the comments. Hey, thanks for plugging in. Next time, we're decoding Robert Greene's controversial 48 Laws of Power. Catch you then.